Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Nexi Group Payments. Review my usage experience. Nexi Group Payments Review My Usage Experience offers a suite of payment processing solutions for businesses. It's aimed at merchants of all sizes, providing tools to manage transactions, track sales, and handle refunds. Key features likely include online payment gateways, POS integration, and potentially fraud prevention tools. Their website provides details on specific offerings and pricing plans. Their website highlights ease of integration with existing systems, pricing transparency with no hidden fees, and a focus on robust security. They boast a high success rate for transaction processing, suggesting reliable technology. Availability is likely dependent on business location and specific needs. Checking their website for detailed coverage is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Nexi Group Payments. Review my usage experience. I used it for my small online store selling handcrafted jewelry. Setting up the payment gateway was surprisingly straightforward. The instructions on their website were clear, and the entire process took less than an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed transaction history, sales reports, and outstanding payments. I found the reporting tools especially helpful for tracking seasonal sales trends. The system was consistently reliable. I experienced no downtime or processing errors during the 2 months I used it. I had a quick question about reconciling a specific transaction, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear explanation. I was really impressed by how customizable the settings were, allowing me to tailor the payment options to my specific business needs. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for quick transaction checks on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Nexi Group Payments. It streamlined my payment processing significantly, saving me time and offering valuable insights into my sales data. That's my overview of Nexi Group Payments. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.